To change audio sources, return to the Toyota Audio Multimedia system. For iPhone users, tap the two arrows in the top left corner of the Apple CarPlay dashboard. From here, you can tap the feature you want to access. Switching back to Apple CarPlay is just as easy. Simply tap the Apple CarPlay icon in the top left corner to return. If you're an Android user, the process is the same. Tap the Toyota app icon on the Android Auto interface to be brought back to the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. Like Apple CarPlay, you can return to Android Auto by tapping the icon in the top left corner of the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. Now, let's return to the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen and change the audio source. If you weren't automatically brought to the Now Playing screen, you can easily access it by tapping the music note icon on the left side of the Toyota Audio Multimedia home screen. This Now Playing screen will show you what is currently playing no matter the audio source you're using. From here, tap Sources to see your options like radio, your smartphone if connected, and your Apple Music or Amazon Music subscriptions. Select Radio to choose between FM, AM, or Sirius XM. When you find a station you like, select the station and tap the heart in the top right corner to add it to your favorites. To tune to a favorite, tap the tile of the saved radio station. You can also change to a favorite channel by pushing the previous and next buttons on the steering wheel. Bear in mind that the steering audio controls will only cycle through your saved collection of favorites. To explore channels, tap the radio source you'd like to browse, like FM radio. You can scroll and select a preferred music genre to be presented with stations in that category. You can also scroll through stations by tapping channel up or down on the touchscreen. Changing audio sources can also be done from the steering wheel by pressing the Mode button, which will cycle you through all audio source options. If you are an Apple Music or Amazon Music subscriber with an active Wi-Fi Connect trial or subscription, you can use integrated streaming to connect your existing subscriptions through the Toyota Audio Multimedia system. To take advantage of this feature, access your Toyota app profile, open Account Settings, and tap Linked Accounts. Select the service you'd like to connect and follow the steps to link your existing Apple Music and/or Amazon Music subscriptions. Once connected, when you tap Sources, you can select Apple Music or Amazon Music for a more enhanced multimedia experience specifically optimized for driving.